We live in an era where anybody can start and run small business from any part of the world. To some people, creating and selling digital product is what does it for them. And why some persons use this model of online business as a side hustle to augment for their 9 to 5 job. Some other persons use this same selling of digital product as a full-time business. Okay, and whichever way, both set of people actually adapt to or use the selling of digital products as a way of making money online because of some benefits it gives. Okay, and but for whichever reason, selling digital products online is a viable online business model which can make you as much as 6 to 7 figures monthly and consistently if you do it the right way. And that's what this video is all about. Welcome back to my channel. My name is Francis Ezan, and if this is your first time of coming to my channel, you're highly welcome. And if you're a returning viewer, you're also welcome. And I will indulge you to like this video, subscribe, and click the bell notification icon so that whenever I drop hot content like this on how to make money online, you would be among the first to be notified. So first and foremost, what is digital product? Digital product is just electronic goods, value, or content which could actually be in different file formats. It could be audio format, video format, PDF, or in ebook format, whichever format. Okay, and these goods or this value or this content or this product can actually be shared online. It can be downloaded, shared in soft copies. So there is no physical product that's moved from one person to another. No, everything is digital. Everything is soft files, soft copies of whatever product or content that you're looking out for. And there are reasons why many persons choose creating and selling digital products as their own online business model. Okay, and these reasons are actually quite beneficial, and almost 90% of digital marketers do focus on selling digital products. Okay, and these reasons are none other than the high profit margin that comes with it, and then also there is no headache or stress trying to have an inventory or trying to do logistics and all that. And besides, you don't need a whole lot of money to get started. You could actually start with just your laptop and your internet connection, basically. Okay, and even if you're going to pay any money, you're not going to pay as much as $100 trying to get your domain and your hosting plan and all that. So basically, with less than $100, you can start creating and selling these two products online and start making 6 to 7 figures monthly and consistently. Okay, so but before we continue, it's quite important for you to understand whatever these two products you want to sell out there. Okay, and when you have this knowledge first, when you understand these two products, the benefit it gives to the prospective customers and to your future client, it becomes easier for you to implement the 6 marketing steps I mentioned in this video. Okay, and before that, aside these 6 marketing steps, because to some people, when you talk of marketing their digital product online, it becomes overwhelming for them. There's a video I did, it's somewhere on the screen, where I talked about the 6 non-marketing steps. If you apply those steps also, you could come out highly successful, selling your digital product online. And if you are still doubting, or if you are still thinking that selling digital products don't make money, or if you are still in doubt whether it can actually pull in 6 to 7 figures monthly, hell yes. These two products or selling these two products actually pulls in even 8 figures for people that are well experienced and have been consistent on it. Okay, so without wasting much of your time, let's dive straight into the 8 marketing steps you need to make as much as 7 figures monthly selling these two products. Only these two products. Okay, so step number 1 is choose a niche. You need to, no matter how good your product is, no matter how well you package your content and all that, if it's not solving a specific problem for your customers, nobody's going to buy. Okay, so you actually need to pick a particular problem and create your product around that particular problem, so that any customer or any prospective client that is looking at your marketing copies and all that, they will know that getting this product will solve their problem. So choosing a specific niche as choosing a specific problem and creating your product or digital product around it is actually the first step, the first marketing step you need. Because if you create any kind of product which is not solving any problem, trust me, nobody's going to listen to you and all that. So then the second one is choose the format for your digital product. There are so many formats out there. There is audio, there is video, and all that. And whichever format you prefer is going to determine how much you are going to make, what you are going to spend in marketing, and also how easy it's going to be for you to market those products, and also the platforms that you're going to distribute your content, or you're going to put out your content or your course or your training or your digital product for your customers to see it easily. Okay. And from experience, ebooks, that's PDF text format, actually has been the most successful so far. Many persons are doing Amazon KDP now and all that. So many things. Though video courses or video digital products actually do sell very well. But audios, I won't recommend only audio. It doesn't really sell well. Video formats and text formats are the kings, killing it on digital products. Okay, that's aside softwares and all that. Then the third step, after you've chosen your digital product format, the third step is you creating your sales page. Okay, your sales page is a place or is a web page where your customers will actually land on, go through it. That's where they make their buying decision. Okay, so your sales page is meant to be very good, and it also adds this speck of professionality to your product, and it also adds this quality to your product. That's where you sample your product, you tell the customers the benefits and everything you need to, convince them to buy your product. Then the next step is creating a sales copy. A sales copy is just a copyrighted content which you place on your sales page. Your sales copy should have that quality, or you should have that copyrighted information or flow of information that would actually convince your prospective customer to buy from you. Put it in perspective. Your sales copy should be able to convince an uninterested prospective buyer to a complete buyer. If your sales copy is not that good, then it's not a sales copy. Okay? Then to the next step, which is the fifth one, do blog posts. It's not necessary you have blog posts, but assuming you have a website which is also linked to the value you create or to the digital product you create, then you should do lots and lots of blog posts. And while doing the blog posts, you have to really do your keyword research, do proper research on the questions your prospective customers could ask, trying to solve their problem. Assuming I created an ebook about how you can, take care of your stretch mark, or how you can get rid of stretch mark, then I should be able to write contents like 5 ingredients you must avoid in any cream you use so that you don't have stretch mark. Then 2, how you can get rid of your stretch mark permanently. And also how you can, there's so many how content or why content, question content, which you can actually put out there as blog posts. And from there, you can drive your prospective buyer to your landing page where you get their details, then to your sales page where you convince them to buy. And that's the way you make sale. Then the next step, which is very, very important, is your landing page. Oftentimes, it's not good for you to, get your traffic and direct them straight to your sales page. Hell no. An average buyer buys after coming in contact with the product 6 to 7 times. That's how long it takes to convince, to take someone from a reader or a content viewer to a buyer. They need to interact with that content or with that product or with that value for 6 to 7 times. Okay, so you need to have a landing page. Driving your traffic all the way from your traffic source to your sales page is not ideal. Take your traffic first to your landing page. Your landing page is just a page, a web page where your customers come. When you put, let's say you're driving your traffic from social media platform, they land on this page where you offer them maybe any freebie, maybe free reports, free ebook, or free analysis about a particular problem, or a mini solution to whatever problem they want to solve. And on that page, you collect their name and their email for onward and subsequent marketing, so that you don't have to spend a whole lot on adverts trying to push traffic all the time. Sometimes it's not sometimes, all the time it's most profitable trying to convince the ones you already have than trying to get a new customer. Okay, so landing page, very important. And what are the features of landing page? You need to have something that you offer, a free book, because that's the way your prospective buyer would exchange their contact or their information or their asset, which is their email and their phone number, with you. Okay, so landing page is very, very, very important. Okay, then the next point is advertise on social media. Advertising on social media cannot be overemphasized. If you actually want to make good and fast progress, you don't have to depend on organic traffic. You have to advertise. And in my own opinion, I would suggest either you do TikTok adverts or you do Facebook or Instagram adverts. Okay, these adverts push as much traffic to your landing page or to your sales page. Okay, advertising on social media, very, very important for you to be able to make that sale and keep it coming consistently. Then the last but not the least is answer questions on forums. Forums like Quora, Reddit, Medium, and the rest of it. People that are looking for solution come on this platform to ask questions. And the best way to interact or the best way to get their attention is to answer their question. When you answer their question, they see you as an authority. And whatever advice you give them, they tend to follow it. Okay, so very, very important. Answering questions on Q&A forums. That's question and answer forums like Quora. Okay, so now you know the 8 marketing steps you need to actually start making or to actually make 6 to 7 figures monthly and consistently selling these 2 products. If you've gotten all this value and you decide not to practice or put it into work, nothing is going to happen. So it's now left for you to, if you've been making mistakes and you've been skipping 1 or 2 of these steps, it's now left for you to go back, re-strategize and start driving in sales, provided you have these 2 products that actually give good value or solve specific problem. Okay, so having been with me up to this moment, thank you for watching, and I would like you to like this video, subscribe, and click the bell notification icon so that whenever I drop content like this on how to make money or how to make your making money online journey easier, you'll be among the first to be notified. So thank you once again and see you next time.